This isn't just an ordinary trade show. It's a place where passion meets perfection. See live demonstrations, test the latest products, meet market leaders and learn from the best. This event isn't just for professionals, it's a place for fans, families, and anyone who loves the automotive industry. Autocosmetica is the largest detailing trade show in Poland. Over 10,000 visitors, hundreds of brands, and thousands of inspirations. Join us on May 8th and 9th at AMBEREXPO in Gdańsk. Autocosmetica. Every detail counts.